Good morning students. We are going to see the tenses today. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense, present perfect progressive tense and past perfect progressive tense. What is a present perfect tense? It is used to talk about an action that is over but still connected to the present or has been recently completed. Example, she has lived in New York all her life. Its structure is have or has plus the past participle. When we are talking about our experience about the present. Example, I have seen that film before. Past perfect tense. It is used to talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. Example, it had snowed in the night, so the bus didn't arrive. A finished action before a second point in the past. When we arrived, the film had started. We usually use past perfect to make it clear which action happened first, and its form is had plus the past participle. Present perfect progressive tense. The present perfect progressive tense is used to describe something that has been happening or continuing for a definite or an indefinite period of time. Example, she has been working at that company for 3 years. And its form is has or have been plus the present participle. Example, we have been waiting here for over 2 hours. Next is the past perfect progressive tense. It is used to describe activities that began in the past, continued over for a period of time in the past, and also ended at a particular point of time in the past. Example, I had been waiting there for more than 2 hours when she finally arrived. Its form is had been plus past participle. Example, Jason was tired because he had been jogging.